Hissong Group Mobile Fleet Service, on site, on location, and on your schedule. Our fully equipped mobile fleet service trucks will come to you, and our certified Kenworth technicians can handle most repairs on site. Services include engine diagnosis and repair, filter and fluid changes, ABS diagnostics, starting, cooling, and charge system repair, DOT inspections, transmission repair, lighting and wiring, exhaust and suspension repair, and small welding repairs. Repairs are done on trucks, trailers, and buses, all makes and all models. Minimize downtime, save on towing charges, and schedule at your convenience. Call us 24/7 at 866-766-1725.